Let's do it all.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. CLEO 2024. I'm at the booth of Swabian Instruments, understanding what they do at CLEO 2024. Thomas Hayes, what did you bring to CLEO?
Yeah, so we are here demonstrating our top-of-the-line time taggers. Really what we're doing is revolutionizing the industry. Now, how are we doing that? Well, at the moment, if you look here, we have our Time Tagger X. Lowest timing jitter on the market today, down to 1.5 picosecond jitter. That is record-breaking in terms of a commercially available TC-SPC system, but it's not our focal point. So what do we do best? We're taking the time tags and streaming them to a PC in real time. The beauty behind that, if you come a little closer, we have 7 different measurements running right now off the same time tag stream. A couple here on our laptop and a few more here on the monitor. And the beauty behind this is it's all live in real time. So if you take, standard counter, what we're measuring here is counts on a detector. You can see live as I run my measurements here, I'm blocking the laser and right away our counts drop. And the beauty behind doing this all in live in real time, so what are we solving for scientists? What we're doing is making it far easier to perform these experiments, minimizing the time you're spending coding and maximizing the time you're spending analyzing your data, advancing to the next research. That's really our goal. So to provide time tagging instrumentation that's going to make it far easier to analyze and get your measurements out and ultimately accelerate your research timelines.
In a conference like this one is when you are talking to the most demanding customers in the world, the academic sector, and you come here to learn and having meaningful conversations with them. What kind of challenges are they bringing to you?
Yeah, so that's a great question. So I kind of see it in twofold. Our time taggers serve 2 key functions: data acquisition and analysis. In terms of acquisition, people in the industry are really trying to push the barriers of what can be accomplished in the timing industry. So very low timing jitter. And this comes from superconducting nanowire single photon detectors. And what they're trying to do is push the boundaries of what can be accomplished in terms of single photon. So what we have to do is provide exceptional time tagging electronics that enable that. So the lowest timing jitter possible. Now on the software side, what are people trying to accomplish? It's really perform a wide variety of measurements off the same time tag stream. Conventionally, what someone has to do when they do that is spend a lot of time programming up their experiments so they can obtain a couple different measurements simultaneously. We enable that all with our software engine in just a few lines of code.
What are the main challenges that you would like to solve in the coming years for this industry?
Probably what we'll focus on most is accommodating a wider user base by expanding on our software. The feedback we've received from existing customers is that we've been able to solve a number of measurement challenges, and the way we've been able to do that is by expanding on our existing measurement classes. And so what we hope to do in the coming years is tackle a number of different applications. So the timing and frequency domain primarily is really what we're focused on at the moment, and the hope is to bring additional value in terms of our time taggers to a much wider audience.
Thomas, thank you very much for a great interview and continue enjoying CLEO 2024.
Thank you so much, Jose.